Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add Gmail account on iPhone and iPad. So let's start the video. First open the settings on iPhone. Scrolling down and you see here mail, just tap on it. And then tap on add account. Here you can see Google, just tap on the Google. Here you put in your Google account and tap next. Now enter your Google ID password and tap next. Now just tap save to sync your contacts. That's it. Hope this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching my video.